Good morning, guys. We're back out here on Harris Chain.
Hey, I had something. You had a fish? Yeah.
Doing a little bit of offshore fishing, some cranking. See if we can't get on them out here. Huh?
Oh,
Yes. Yes, sir. First offshore cranking fish of your life, dude. Where'd he hit it at? The boat?
Right at the boat.
Awesome. All right, hold on.
Almost right in ready. You saw it, bro. We were really good together. And then Brandon's bait went right by him, too.
Yeah. You need pliers?
Yeah, he barely got that.
Need some pliers? Hey. Good job, dude. Here, let's see. Yeah, let's get pliers on him.
Yeah, I think break bait is the...
Well, let me throw your crankbait in the water. There you go. Hold him up. There we go.
Way that jump.
Got the skunk out of the boat. We'll go do something different. Change the game. Change it up. Look, he's coming after my jig. Is that a bass?
Oh my.
That's a bass.
That's a bass. Oh, nice. Come on, buddy. I put my left one now.
No, hold on. That's a bass.
Get some shit in here.
Ooh,
You got one?
had one. Look at there.
Yep.
Grab a worm when I was reeling it. Ooh, 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 I got one.
You got one?
Oh, he took it. Might have been a brim. See my line? Hold on. Oh, that was an alligator. Bro, that scared me.
I thought that was a
I
giant.
heard a fish jump over there.
No, it was an alligator.
No, fish jumped over there.
Oh my gosh. That scared me. Look at that bird. That bird was about to be... He's like, is that a fish over there? No, that gator is going to eat you, bird. Yeah. All right, guys, we got 30 minutes until we got to be off the water for the tournament, so we're going to call it a day. We got loaded up. We're going to run over here and get these boys checked in for the tournament. Beautiful area.
$100?
Now we only got like $400 in those to go spend.
Yeah.
Big bag of the year. So we had a 15.53 weight. We had a 16.23, 16.88, 18.23. Biggest bag though in that junior trail was caught by Gage Bliss. Jaden Ruth Lake Trail. 627 947 627 947.
Sweet.
Fifth, come on up, Hammer Dammers. Nationals this weekend. Step right up there with them, guys. Stay there with them. So one of them will be fortunate enough, whichever one's finished highest in the standings, will punch their tickets to the Nationals. So that will be the second berth that we have to give away there. So if you have punched your tickets to the Nationals, please rise. If you're in this room, punch your tickets to the Nationals.